Yes. One more time, people, are you
Put your
ready?
hands together.
Then let's welcome on stage Reggae Queen
Marcia
Griffiths doing the
the
70s.
70s. There's a land that I've heard about so far across the sea. Come on, hear you. There's a land that I have heard about so far across the sea. To have you on my dreamland would be like heaven to me. Now you want me to come on. Have you on my dreamland would be like heaven to me. Take it away now. We lay together on that dreamland and we had so much fun, yeah. We lived together on that dreamland and we had so much fun. We'll get up breakfast through the trees. We get from the beach. We'll take a ride on the waterfall. We'll come What shall we do? So now I see the day when the pick up my in Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. The pick up my in Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one, stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one, stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon, stepping out of Babylon. I can know what's waiting in a Babylon. But I know, yes I know, there's a Mount Zion. But a whole Sunday is given for the way. So let up, don't let down. Pick out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. Pick out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. Pick out of Babylon one by one, in Mount Zion. Pick out of Babylon one by one, in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon, stepping out of Babylon. Sing, sing on fire. Sing on fire. Sing on fire. Stepping out of Babylon. Yeah! In the decade of the 70s, can I tell you that every decade that I entered, it was such an awesome experience. Sending messages to the world, teaching, educating, uplifting, uniting the world through music. What a feeling to stand on a stage, to reach out, to feel that positive energy, sending it back through the medium of reggae music. Thank God. You know, before I go any further, I just want to say that we've been having some real strange weather for the past how long, but God has been so merciful and so good. I prayed earnestly and asked God to just give me this day. I'll never see another 60. This is the only 60 that I'll ever see. And God has granted me this wish. And I am so thankful. Always and forever. Thank you, Father God. Yes. We continue with the power of D. Oh my goodness. This was a special request. And you know what? This song was yes. So far we reached already? No, it's we're in the decade of the 80s. Can you imagine? So, this was the very first song I recorded at the Penthouse. And trust me, it's one of the most beautiful memories doing this song. And we want to send it from our hearts to your heart. And if you know this song, just sing along. yes, yes. Beautiful memories from every decade. Yes, you know what came after that? All right, listen up. Happy feelings with me again. Now that I have found a yesterday I felt so far, but today I found love next. Deep, deep in my heart, I believe I will love again. Oh yes, we will make our new start, sharing us until love goes away. My new lover, my new friend, you bring joy and happiness to a soul who loves so very less. They may say you're no good for me, but little I will never see. Deep in my heart, I knew I would love again. Oh yes, we will make our new start, share our until love goes away. My new lover, my new friend. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, my journey was shared with so many different singers, DJs. As a matter of fact, in my 16 years journey, I've shared 50 collabs with 50 different singers and DJs. Coming on stage right now is a young, when I saw her and heard her for the first time, she was doing the song I just did, Stepping Out of Babylon. And I said, what a talented little girl. And I've watched her grow and blossom and is now blooming into a wonderful queen. We're talking about Queen Nadine. Give it up for her, Nadine Sutherland, come in.
Miss Queen, I wrote a song as a duet for me and the Queen Master Griffiths. This song is about the trials and the triumphs of women who had to go through and is victorious in the end. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for 60 years in the music industry. Our Queen, Master Griffiths.
Do your thing, Nadine.
Ready for the next one? Stop playing with my mind. Woman, we no joke when she will want your wine. You call me up the phone, but I want to attacking me, then go down. And now I want you home. I thought talking so she not your action. So we looking at the girl in front of action. So we looking at the girl in front of. I need some action. Take your satisfaction. My chemistry is slow. Can you concentrate? I need some action. Take your satisfaction. My chemistry is slow. Can you concentrate? Action. Some way. I need some action. Take your satisfaction. My chemistry is low. Can you concentrate? I need some action. Take your satisfaction. My chemistry is low. Can you concentrate? Gentlemen, does it seem to you that the ladies in reggae music never age? No, seriously. You take a look at Marcia Griffiths, and then you take a look at Nadine Sutherland. And then we have Lady G, who's going